Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming where your iCloud space is going. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to inspect used versus available storage and see iCloud drive size. Once done, tap Manage Storage to identify big consumers like device backups or photos. You should immediately disable any old device backups and toggle off apps that don't need iCloud. This frees space fast. Make sure to wait for the sync to finish before deleting anything local so you don't lose recent data. Next, remove the actual files that bloat iCloud Drive. Open the Files app, select iCloud Drive, then sort or filter to spot large or old files. You can preview first, then tap Select to remove multiple items quickly. Once deleted, open Recently Deleted and permanently erase them to reclaim space. If files need to be kept, move them to local on my iPhone storage or another cloud service. Once moved, verify the iCloud usage updated so you've effectively reduced the footprint. Finally, tighten what actually syncs to iCloud. You can disable iCloud Drive entirely or toggle individual apps under iCloud settings. Do this only after confirming local copies exist. Also review photos and messages. Disabling iCloud Photo Library or Messages in iCloud stops automatic uploads. Once adjusted, restart the phone and check Manage Storage again. Troubleshooting tip. If space doesn't reflect changes, sign out and back into your Apple ID to force a resync, and contact Apple support if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.